friends, in this video we are discussing particular integral of f of d into y is equal to q of x when q of x is equal to x to the power of m, where m be a positive integer. So you can say this is the shortcut method to find a particular integral of f of d into y is equal to x to the power of m form, okay, where m belongs to z plus nothing but positive integer. How we can find out the particular integral? We will write ypa is equal to 1 by f of d into x to the power of m form. Not only x to the power of m means you may think like x square or x cube, x to the power of 10. Not only these terms, polynomial expression also. Polynomial expression means 1 plus x square form. Maybe 2 minus x power 10 also. Okay. Next x plus 3 whole square also. X plus 3 whole square is also a polynomial in terms of x only. Right. Now if you have the q of x is any of this form or else any of x to the power of m form. Right. In this case what we have to do means from f of d we have to bring out the lowest degree term. Then the remaining factor will be in the denominator is of the form 1 plus pi of d. 1 plus pi of d into x to the power of m. Now this denominator you have to write in the numerator as 1 plus pi of d whole inverse type into x to the power of m. Now this one we have to expand by using binomial theorem. You may get a 1 plus or minus pi of d also sometimes based on the given equation. Power n also you may get. That is based on the f of d. Right. Now you see what are the binomial expansions we have means mainly we will have like this. You see 1 plus x whole inverse formula. 1 plus x whole inverse is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. Next 1 minus x whole inverse is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. Sometimes the powers will be 2. Now 1 plus x whole power minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube and so on. Next 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1 plus x is over. Now 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on. Okay, like this we have to expand this 1 plus or minus pi of d. Now I will give some examples how to bring out the lowest degree term common. You see, if I have 1 by 2 plus d into x power m is there, let it be. Okay, now in this case what is the lowest degree term here? You have 2, so you have to take 2 is outside. Then 2 if you take in common, then you will have 1 plus d by 2 into x to the power of m. This is equal to 1 by 2 is same. Now you can write 1 plus d by 2 whole inverse into x to the power of m. Is it clear? Now apply 1 plus x whole inverse formula. Right. Next, if you are applied up to expansion, you have to do up to what? X power 10, x power 20, x power 50, you may get a doubt. Now I am giving a hint for you for that also. You see friends, if the polynomial of degree is 3 is there, let it be, highest degree is 3 is there. Now you see what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Next, d square of x cube means second derivative is 6x. What about the third derivative? Third derivative is 6. What about the fourth derivative? Fourth derivative constant derivative is 0. So the higher derivatives will be what? 0. One more example I will give. You see, derivative of, let it be the index highest degree is 2 if you have. Index of x is 2 if you have. Then derivative of x square is equal to 2x. D square of x square is equal to 2. D cube of x is equal to what? 0. So friends, by the observation, if the index of x is equal to m if you have, like index of x is equal to 3 if you have, maximum you can differentiate 3 times. Higher derivatives will be 0. Okay. Next, x square is there. Maximum you can differentiate 2 times. The higher derivatives will be 0. Nothing but if the polynomial of degree m is there, you can differentiate maximum m times. If you differentiated maximum m times, you see d to the power of m, x to the power of m, you will get a constant m factorial. You see, x cube is there. How many times we are differentiated here? 3 times. 3 times if you differentiated, this should be what? X cube, d cube, x cube is equal 3 factorial. Is 3 factorial is equal 6 or not? Yes. Next, x square is there. D square x square is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is equal to 2. So maximum you can differentiate based on the index of x only. Higher derivatives no need to take here. For example, one more example, you see, suppose I have 1 by d square minus 2d d square plus 2d minus 3 whole square is there. Whole square into 1 plus x is there. 1 plus x polynomial. Let it be 1 plus 3x also, not an issue. If you taken this one, now you have to do in this method. How you can do means, here what is the lowest degree term here? You have minus 3. So bring outside. Then you will have minus 3 whole square is nothing but 9. Then you see this one 1. Here minus 3 if I divided. Then 1 d square plus 2d by 3 whole power 2 into 1 plus 3x. Is it or not? You see, now it is in the form of 1 minus pi of d. Yes or no? You will get, if you taken a lowest degree term outside, then you may get in the form of 1 plus pi of d or 1 minus pi of d. Now this is, you see, this one you can also write as 1 by 9 1 minus d square plus 2d by 3 whole power minus 2 into 1 plus 3x. Now it is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus 2. See, you can apply 1 minus x whole power minus 2 formula. Right? Is it clear for everyone how to solve how to find the particular integral for f of d into y is equal to x to the power of m form? Next we will solve some problems on this.